Last week, California had an earthquake of a magnitude of 5.2. It happened at 9:11 p.m. My phone made an Amber Alert sound that woke me up. I picked up my phone and there was this text on there that said, earthquake, drop, roll, duck, whatever it said. I screenshot it. I'm going to show it right here. Let me tell you something. I will never get used to earthquake living out here in California. This is going to be my third experience with a noticeable earthquake where they blasted over the television. And every time it happens, it really do shake me up because it's not normal. You know how some state they prepare for hurricane season? Hurricane season, you always know when the hurricane is coming. There's a lot of warning. They're telling you, get out of town, do what you have to do because this hurricane is coming. With earthquake, there is nothing to detect when the earthquake is on its way. It just happened. And let me tell you something, living here in California, it's always vibrating. They only talk about magnitude if it's like a 5 point something. Anything under a 5, they don't talk about it. And the day that the 5.2 happened, the next day, they had another little vibration of a 4 point something. I was at work and I'm sitting in my office and I felt a little shake. I got up and I went to talk to my colleagues and I said, did you guys feel that? And this is the reaction. Oh yeah, that was an earthquake. Californians, they are so used to it's like their way of life. They don't make a big deal about it. If an earthquake happened, oh yeah, that's an earthquake. This is the narrative that they always tell you when talking about an earthquake. Oh yeah, we're due for a big one. What? No, we don't want a big one. Why we? So in today's video, I want to share with you some of the things that they tell you that you must have in your ready bag, your to-go bag, your disaster bag. So in this video, I am going to show you some of the things that I bought that they told me that I must get. And I've been putting it off. So I went on Amazon and I bought a bunch of stuff. Some of these we should already have in our house. So a fire extinguisher, adequate supply of medication that you or your family member are taking, a pipe wrench to turn off gas or water supply, first aid kit, flashlight with extra bulb and batteries, portable radio with extra battery, water for each family member for at least 2 weeks, canned food and packaged food, a whistle to signal for help. We all need to be prepared for any kind of natural disaster. My goal today is to get you thinking about how ready you are if an unexpected event occurs. Do you have an emergency kit ready? Essential items like bottled water, flashlights, extra batteries, and a portable radio are crucial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.